Hi guys, welcome to Aussie Storm Training. Tonight we'll show you how to use our commit link. So your sponsor will give you the link here and it will be their 6-digit ID number .truevisionhealth.com.au/commit. Click enter on that. That should then bring you up, hopefully, yes, to this page here, and at the top right it will have your sponsor's name and their phone number. What I need you to do then, it's going to come up with a little screen that says, oh, sorry, my apologies, arrow down to the bottom, all the way down, keep going, and you will see here, go all in for $133.65. That's the one you need. So all you need to do there is click on it. That will then take you through to the next screen. And on this screen, it's going to ask you for your details. So your first name, last name, phone number, email, and your address, date of birth, create a username and a password. Doesn't matter what this create a username is, most people log in with their ID number. Once you've done that, click enter payment information. It will ask you for your details. Once you enter those details in, it will give you a receipt and an email to you to tell you that you are now a member of True Vision and your order has been ordered. And it will also give you your ID number. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.